Converting cassette tapes and vinyl records at the audio station are fairly similar processes, so I'm going to cover them both in this video. If you're converting a cassette, first make sure the tape deck is plugged in. You'll find the USB port on the back of the unit. Also, take note of the gain knob, which you can use to boost or diminish the signal. Power the unit on. Press the eject button to open the tray. Insert the cassette tape side down and close the tray. When you're ready to play the cassette, press the play button. If you're converting a vinyl, first make sure the turntable is plugged in. You'll find the USB port on the underside of the unit. You'll notice there's a gain knob there too, just like the tape deck. Be careful if you have to turn the unit over. Be particularly careful not to put any undue stress on the tone arm. We like to leave the turntable with no stylus cartridge installed because they tend to get broken if we leave them out. You can retrieve a cartridge from the labeled box in room 1204. To install the cartridge, grip it by the plastic and simply slide it into place. Try to avoid touching the thin metal stylus as it's quite sensitive. You'll find the power button toward the back of the turntable. Place the vinyl on the turntable. There are two different speeds depending on what kind of vinyl you're playing. When you're ready to play the vinyl, press the start-stop button to start the record spinning. Then, carefully lower the stylus onto the surface of the vinyl. Remember, vinyls play from the outside in. Whether you're converting a cassette or a vinyl, the steps on the computer are identical. Start by opening System Preferences. Click on Sound. Under the Input tab, select USB Audio Codec. You'll need to use a program to record. For simplicity, we'll use Audacity in this example, but you can use another program if you'd prefer to. Once you've launched Audacity, you'll need to make sure it's using the right input and output drivers. Click on Audacity, then Preferences, then Devices. If it isn't already, switch the recording device to USB Audio Codec and make sure it's recording in stereo. Finally, click OK. Now you're ready to start recording. Click the record button and then start the cassette or vinyl. The red lines in the waveform indicate that the signal is clipping. If this happens, either attenuate the signal using the gain knob or reduce the recording sensitivity in Audacity and try the recording again. That looks much better. When you're done recording, click the stop button. Make any edits you like, such as deleting dead space at the beginning or end of the recording, then click File, then Export. Follow the saving dialog, and you're done.